Hi everyone, and welcome back to the NATEC channel. In this next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the promotions tab on your Gmail. Now the first thing you need to do is to log into your Gmail, and you'd want to click on the little gear icon on the top right corner of your screen that says settings. So as soon as you click on that, you can scroll down a little bit and you see inbox type. So just go ahead and click on customize, and right from the customize pop-up you can see that options is actually enabled to turn off getting promotional emails in your inbox. So just go ahead and have this unticked, and as soon as you do that, you can register your preference by clicking on the save button. Alright, so as soon as you do that, your inbox is going to be refreshed and promotional emails turned off. So guys, there you have it. That's how to go about that. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.